Hi friends, it's Christina, the TNT Homestead, and today I am going to make some chicken stock. I roasted up a friend's chicken, my friend Erin at the Porter Homestead gave us one of her chickens that she harvested last year to clear out some space in her freezer. And are you making faces?
No, definitely not.
So we cooked that up last night, and I just picked the bones clean to use up some of this extra meat for, what did you want? Quesadillas? Chicken quesadillas. And I'm gonna throw the rest of the carcass and all of that greasy flavor with some veggies, scraps that I've been saving in the freezer. I'm gonna throw it all in, pour some water over it, and cook it for a couple hours. And let's see how it turns out. Onions, some peppers, let's see what else is in here. Asparagus, probably some leeks. That was really good. Carrots. We'll see what else I have in the freezer.
Wait, that's the
Back to the other freezer. This is pears. Nope, not it. There's some more veggies with celery and stuff. If I don't use this for stock, I've been saving them to make a vegetable stock, but I've kind of been feeding them to the pigs a little bit too. So it's been a couple hours. And that's all cooked down. I just need to strain it out now. So first thing is getting the big chunks out, letting that drain. And then I've got the smaller mesh strainer and some cheesecloth to make sure to get all of the finer particles. I did not season this. I know a lot of people do add seasoning. The only thing I added was a little bit of pepper, primarily because I don't know exactly what I'm going to be using this for depending on the recipe, so I can always season it later. And I really like the natural flavoring of all of the individual vegetables and the meat, so that's what I do. What I'm gonna do, just switch this over, and I'm gonna strain it through the mesh first, get the bigger pieces, and then do it again with the cheesecloth. Need a bigger bowl.
Mom, I just figured out my pinky was in the view.
Uh-oh.
Might have to crop it. Is that one gonna be full?
Alright, the next step is to filter it through the cheesecloth to get out the smaller sediment. Especially what settles on the bottom. And this is what we just filtered out. All of that as well. Now I gotta pour it in my jars. probably just going to freeze these since I'm not ready to can anything on the stove right now. So that's why I'm not filling up the jars all the way. Let me get some more cans. Alright, there you have it. That's how much I came up with. I'm going to stick those in the freezer. Let them expand before I put any lids on. And it's about 12 ounces per, so should be good for individual recipes. Before you guys go, I want to give you a quick update on the pigs. Been here for a couple weeks now, quite a few weeks actually, since the last time I did a video. So we have them. Hey, hey, piggy piggies. Hi, ladies. They got quite a bit bigger. Oh, and then here's the problem. They're in the mud. They come out and their little tails are swinging. And they fling mud all over me. You gonna fling mud all over me. But they want. Oh, they just want their scratching. Oh, there's, oh, mud. Ah. Getting. So here's what else we did. Woo! Sprinklers on. I told you guys about being able to run them in the back. So we opened this up, ran the hot wire down here. Come on, ladies. Come on, come on. So that they come back down here along the fence line. And what they have here is a run. They get to run all the way down. Come on, come on. Because they were getting a little too fat too fast. So we wanted them to be able to have more room to run and exercise. And now they have this whole area back here. You know, we had talked about just having this for them. But they love running around back here and playing. And then they actually go to the bathroom a lot more back here along the fence. So I don't have to worry about cleaning up closer to the house anymore. And they have the shade of this big tree from the neighbor's yard. Hi, ladies. That's Thelma. This is Louise. Thelma and Louise. They've got about, till October 24th, I think, was our date at the butcher. And, oh, you guys got me all muddy. But that's what I got for you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like this video so that I know that you guys are enjoying the content and I can keep pushing out some updates from the homestead and our adventures. I'm actually kind of surprised, like 90% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel, and I don't know why. So be sure to hit that button, and I'll see you next time. Ooh, don't touch that fence.